Dr. Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, is here now. Kim, let's dive into the markets first thing and talk about overall what are the markets concerned about.
Well, right now, most people are talking about it's between Thanksgiving and Christmas, and there's just not much happening in the market, which there's some truth to that, but it's not as significant as it used to be because we're in a world market with wheat, with corn, with beans, with cotton. All those prices are determined on the world market, not on the U.S. market. So changes in prices are more significant now than, say, they were 10 years ago. The rumors on the market are what they're talking about. It's the Federal Reserve and their interest rate, raising those. Are they going to raise them? How much are they going to raise them, and what impacts that going to have? You got the value of the dollar. It's went from about 112 down to almost 106. That's almost a 6% improvement in our prices on the world market. You've got China, COVID in China, big problem there. The world's wondering what impacts that's going to have on our markets. They've been buying soybeans. That's been good for us here in the United States. And of course, I think people are realizing we got to start watching the weather. We've been paying attention to the war, Russia, Ukraine, what's going on there. But the weather is a major factor I think the market's going to start concentrating on.
Specifically, what are you seeing in the wheat markets?
Well, if you look at the wheat chart, you've got a downtrend that started around the 1st of October. It's a gentle downtrend. You've had prices up as high as $9.50. They're down now around $8.60. Over the last couple of weeks, they've been sneaking lower. We've been talking about a sideways pattern in those wheat prices, but if you look over the entire time period, we got a little downtrend going on there. You've got Australia and Argentina. They're in about the middle to a little over halfway through their harvest, coming in near expectations. Got some weather problems in Australia, floods, roads washed out, having trouble to move some of that wheat into market. You've got EU's exports for wheat are relatively strong. You got the world supply of wheat, the stocks-to-use ratio. It's been moving down for the last 4 years, and so it shows that stocks are tight. And then you've got the U.S. Winter wheat conditions, which are bad, but they've improved a little bit over the last couple of weeks.
What are you seeing as far as corn then?
Now that's a dead market. I mean, that market's just been moving sideways. But again, if you look October forward, we had those sideways movements through October into November. But in November, we've got just kind of sneaking down a little bit. And if you got a floor on those prices, we're right near that floor. If they break it, then we can get some down moves in corn, or they may just continue to waller around, but just not much happening in corn. You look at soybeans. Now we got some improvement in bean prices this week. It looks like it's broke that upper resistance level. We might have beans moving a little higher, but China's been sneaking in and buying our products here, and that always has a positive impact on our prices.
Cotton harvest is winding down in Oklahoma. How are prices looking there?
Well, you know, cotton was up 120, and that was excellent prices. Then it broke and started down. It got down to $72, went back up to 89, around 83. It looks like it's creating a floor around 80 cents. We've got a short crop, and we've had a short crop. This is the second out of the last 3 years. So cotton stocks are relatively tight.
Hard to believe we're in December. I know the year flies by, but what are you already looking ahead to for next year?
Well, producers are already starting to look at how they're going to use their assets this next year, the soil, the land. You look at wheat, current price $8.65, a basis around a -47. Forward contract for harvest delivery, $8.20, that's a -55 basis. Corn, $7.32 current with a +70 basis. You go out to the 23 crop, it's $5.80 with a -25 cents. So corn tight stocks there, really strong basis. Soybeans, $14.50 current price, the basis a -10. Go out to the 23 harvest, the basis is a -85 at $13.10. Cotton, $85.50 current on the futures. You look at December of next year, around $78.65.
Okay, Kim, lots of great information. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next week.